Good morning. My name is Sumedha and I am first year student of BCI HMCT and I belong to a beautiful valley, that is Kashmir, and today we are going to make an authentic dish of Kashmir, that is Rista. And we are usually making it with the use of mutton, but today we are going to use chicken in it. So give a variation in it, and it is not possible here to make it a authentic dish, so we are using chicken in it. The first thing we used to do with the meat is we first beat it and then make a mince out of it. Now we are going to add some spices into it. First we are going to add some ginger powder, that is sont, some fennel powder, some jeera powder, some salt, some red chili powder, a pinch of haldi, that is turmeric, garam masala powder and hing. Now we have reached the consistency of the meat, and now we will stop beating it, and now we will make balls out of it. To make balls we have to first wet our hands with the water, and now we will take some portion of meat and make balls out of it. Now we are going to add these chicken balls into some chicken stock. Once these balls come on the top of the utensil, then we can get to know that the balls have been cooked. As you can see that chicken balls have come on the top, so now we can rectify that the chicken balls have been cooked and partially cooked. Now they are going to be cooked in 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will go for the gravy. Meanwhile, the chicken balls are still cooking. We will start with our gravy. For our gravy, we need to have some masalas, that are bay leaf, green cardamom, black cardamom, mace, cloves, pepper and some cumin. Now we will add our spices to our oil. Now we are going to add some grated onion in it. Now we will wait for the onions to brown. Now as you can see that our onions have been done brown. Now we will add some dry spices in it. First cumin powder, fennel powder, some turmeric, ginger powder, our garam masala and some hing in it. To give it a color, we can use our saffron to give it a nice color. And some red chili powder in it. Now stir it well. Now we are going to add some chicken stock into it to make a gravy. And now we will add our chicken balls into our gravy. We will add our leftover stock into it and let it for cooking till 1 hour until our gravy becomes thick. Now as you can see that our gravy is going to be thickened in some hour. Now I wish you all can smell the flavorful smell coming from it. Now as you can see that our gravy has been turned thick. Now we will add our last ingredient, that is clarified butter, ghee to it to give it a shine and taste. And you can enjoy rista with steamed rice or roti.